Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I've not done a video on this channel for
a long time.
Too long actually, but I am back and today we are showing off a little haul that we've got. It's pretty much the Cricut haul. Everything's Cricut. So we have got the Easy Press 2. We've got basic tool set. We've got the Explore Air 2. We've got the mat that goes with the Easy Press, and then we've got 3 vinyls, 1 glittery, 2 black, because the limit was
it was a limited variety in Hobbycraft.
And the last is the
transfer. So that is to go for this, and that's glitter iron on, so that's that one. And then there's that. So we're focusing on unboxing this one today.
Yes, so we are going to unbox the Circut Explore Air 2. So with this one, this is the smaller one. The smaller one, there is a larger one you can get. The larger one means that you can cut wood and something else, but it's wood. This one does everything but wood.
Comes in 3 different colours.
Yeah, so we got it in sunflower,
which is kind of just like
yellow. Mustard yellow. I'm so excited. More time to create, more time for life.
It cuts over 100 materials quickly and beautifully, apparently. Yeah, so I'm just gonna
flip it back over. Smart cutting machine. 2 times faster cutting and writing.
compared to the original Air, I imagine.
Yeah. So back to the top.
This is 2-year-old nail polish, by the way. Not 2 years old, but this is a 2-year-old.
By a 2-year-old. She.
That's why it's on one hand. That's why it's that colour.
The talent. So we picked this up today.
Yeah.
In Hobbycraft, it was $259, and this is what you get with it.
Light grip.
So this is the.
So I think you peel this off. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because because it's sticky. So then obviously when you feed into the machine, it doesn't ripple and get stuck.
I think the lady we spoke to said there's 2 mats. So we'll have to see if we see another one.
Yeah.
Here you've got
instructions, how to get started. The mint green colour is very nice, and the powder blue is also very nice. But I just love the yellow.
I don't know what these.
We've already realised. We've already thought we're going to come up with a name. I think these must be test pieces.
Your warranty.
You need that. Yeah, I think there must be like some test pieces. Some more stuff in there.
Can I take this out? Put it on the side. Oh.
If I move that there, do you want to put it there? Oh my goodness. Look how nice it is. I love the colour.
So it weighs about 3.5 kilos, I'd say, roughly. It's got this protective film on, a pot for your little cutting tools.
Yeah.
And all the buttons and things.
So the larger one doesn't come with the knob, it just comes with the buttons there.
So obviously you adjust the knob based on the things you are cutting, the thin to thick. Let's do the wires.
Yeah. So the mains. One of those annoying dry powder things, and a pen. That's it. I still think very heavy to say that that's just...
It's the cardboard, the weight of the cardboard's as much as the weight of the machine
itself.
So yeah, that's everything you get.
Yeah, this is everything you get in your pack. Little bit of wood that you
plug in your computer
for your designs.
That's why I'm here.
That's why you, if I don't, I'm not technically. And your pen.
And that's it.
Yeah, that is everything.
At least for this video, because we've got some more stuff to unbox in another one.